Hello everyone, welcome to a crazy fact about animals. So let's get started. So the fact is, orangutans, the animal orangutan, is the most heavy tree crawling animal. Like, you know these animals? This is koala, sloth, monkey. They all move around in trees, but there are a lot more animals. But I showed these for example. So you know the tree crawling animals like these. Orangutans are the heaviest animal among them. So this was a fact, and if you enjoyed this fact, if you like this fact, then make sure to subscribe, like, and share to any friend or family member you have. And I will see you guys in the next fact. Till then, goodbye.